and welcome to the Watkins Dead and Breakfast. This week we're going to be unboxing the Lunging Reaper. This is one of my all-time favorites. We've had him in the past. Unfortunately, his lunging mechanism stopped working, broke some of the gears and some of the pieces. So he still talked and still worked, but he didn't lunge anymore.
So we never put him out for the past, 2 to 3 years?
No, well, he kept him in storage and we sold him this year. Luckily, we found this guy at the Southeastern Pennsylvania yard sale or flea market and picked him up for a pretty good price, cheaper than retail. So we're going to unbox him today, get him put together, and do a demonstration for you. All right, let's get him unboxed and see what we got. Everything is new in the packaging. It's awesome. Everything's in plastic. There's some clothes. There's the arm and hand. There's his shoulders and his...
Wait. Got the head.
There's the head. There's the arm. There's his lunging mechanism and torso. Set that off to the side.
Even comes with a step pad. Look at that.
Hips. Yeah, what's back when I used to give you step pads with these things. Nice adapter. Good adapter. The adapter with a couple of different adapters in case you're ever going international and want to take your Lunging Reaper with you. You got that.
And another one too. The third one.
3 different adapters. That's pretty cool. If I want to take the show on the road, I got adapters I can take. Alright, so he is completely assembled. I just got to plug him in and see how he works. There's something clicking on.
Want to play a game of tag? If I catch you, you have to give up your soul. You're faster than you look. But don't worry, I'll get that soul on the way after that. Do you think that you can sneak past the Reaper? I always know when your time has come. Lucky for you, it's not your time yet.
I'm just so
The living never think that their lives will come to an end. But all it takes is one touch from me. You have escaped my grasp. For now. I have come to guide one of you into the afterlife. Come into my embrace and meet your fate. Don't worry, I will return for you soon enough. Want to play a game of tag? If I catch you, you have to give up your soul. You're faster than you look. But don't worry, I'll get that soul on the way after that. Want to play a game of tag? If I catch you, you have to give up your soul. You're faster than you look. But don't worry, I'll get that soul on the way after that.
Okay.
definitely got to work on this face.
Yeah, face is a little misshapen from being in the box.
Do you think that you can sneak past the Reaper? I always know when your time has come. Lucky for you, it's not your time yet.
Shush. So that is the 6-foot lunging Reaper. Pretty cool prop. Still one of my all-time favorites. A little bit different than the original one we had. He's got do a little bit of tweaking on his face. He gets some of the dents and stuff from being packaged up for so long. But that's him, all assembled and functioning properly the way he should. Let us know what you think in the comments below, and thank you for stopping by.
Bye bye.